Hi, I'm Carol from carol.ws, and I wanted to go over today the difference between premium membership and basic membership when you're joining Global Domains International. Now, when you first sign up to join, they're going to ask you if you want an individual or a business account. And I go with the individual account, okay, unless you're a church or you're incorporated but most everybody goes with an individual account, okay? And then another question they ask that I get a lot is there's a spot on there where they ask if you're interested in the income for life and products, or mainly products, or just income for life. Just put down that you're interested in the income for life and the products, because you want both of them. Okay, and those are the first two questions that I can think of as you're signing up that I get a lot of questions on. And again, I wanted to go over the premium membership versus the basic membership. And this is my GDI back office right here. As you can see, my name's right there, Carol Rivet. There, I'm going to go to premium. And it says, congratulations, I'm a premium member. Now, I've been in GDI for 2 years, okay, and I am an experienced marketer, and I've just loved GDI. It's been the best thing I've done, and I am even more excited now than I was when I first joined it. And the resources that my team has when you join are just incredible. The resources are better now than they were when I joined. When I joined, I only had a green sales page to use. And you probably know the sales page that I'm talking about because it's in almost all of my videos. But that's all I had. And now my upline had created a marketing system. And below this video is going to be a link to my blog, which is right here. And there's a lot of information right here on this blog about the capture page system, about the cost of it, about GDI and what it offers. And it's I spent a lot of time putting information on here and trying to think of questions that everybody asks so that I can get to those questions before you even have to ask them. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. Now this is the comparison, the basic and the premium. Okay, now the basic commissions are you earn a dollar per person that you refer on all 5 levels. Okay, and you can refer an infinite amount of people. There is no limit to any level. You can have thousands of people on each level. Okay, and that would be a really good thing to have thousands of people on each level. That's not a problem. And whoops, I went off of it. And with the premium membership, you earn 14 times more commission than with basic, which makes sense. The basic level membership is $10 a month after you have the 7-day free trial, and the premium membership is $50 a month after you have the 7-day free trial. Okay, so that's 14 times more income that you're making on premium and at your first level. And then your levels 2 through 5, you're making 4% more on your income with those that sign up for premium. Now those are only premium members that you're making that much more. All basic members, even if you're a premium member, you're still earning that dollar per person. Okay? And you get the weekly superstar bonus. Now if you're a good recruiter, this is going to really interest you. You really should pay attention to this and not forget it. I have gotten this a couple times when I've been with GDI. It's if you refer 5 people, right? Yes, 5 people in a 7-day period, and it's from Monday to Sunday, and they upgrade, the first time GDI bills them, because when you first sign up for your account, you're setting up a subscription so that GDI automatically bills you at the end of the 7-day period. So if all 5 members automatically upgrade that first time, and they need to be new GDI members, they can't be a retread like I am. I'm a retread. I was in GDI once before years ago, but oh man, now is so much better than the last time was, the first time was. So, but those 5 members will earn you a $100 bonus, and you can, if you refer 25 people, you'll earn a $500 bonus for that week. That's just that week. That's not including your monthly income. That's not including the monthly income you earn from premium members and from basic members, okay? So that's really, if you can recruit, if you're really good, and just teach yourself to recruit. It's not that hard. Just watch some of the things that I'm doing, okay? And the basic commissions are $1 for everyone on your 5 level. And the inviter credits, you get 100 as a basic, which means you load a name and an email into the GDI inviter system, which, let's see, where is that? It's right off here to the side here. Right there. You just load their name and their email, and you click send, and then they send it for you. I use the resource page. I use my marketing system. When I make a post, if anybody asks me for more information, what do? I send them to my capture page. That's my capture page. That's the marketing system that I'm talking about. They enter their email, and then they have messages about GDI coming to them. There's no upsells of more expensive things. There's no one-time offers of things, of other programs that are going to take them away. It's about GDI. People opt in because they're interested in GDI. We don't need to bombard them with 40 other programs that are high-ticket programs. Okay? And so anyways, sorry about that little rant. There is a CSV file when you're a premium member that you can use with the credits and import your classic inviter that way to make it much easier. Hit logs. You get hit logs as a basic member, and they're improved and a little more detail with the hit logs. The three 1-month gift cards to give away to, you can hold rewards, you can hold contests, and give away a free 30-day trial to GDI, okay? Now with our marketing system, it works perfect because we use Traffic Wave in our marketing system. So now you've got a free 30 days of GDI and a free 30 days of Traffic Wave. You can hit the ground running and be advertising this and have a free month to be building up people coming in. Okay? And let's see, you get 10% off of the leads. These leads are fresh, they're phone verified, profiled leads, and premium members get 10% off, a 10% discount. The daily ticket in the lottery, which every day when people sign up to GDI without a sponsor, GDI picks 3 premium members out of all of the members, and they give the members the people that don't have a sponsor that they signed up with. And when you move downline members, basic level, you can move them, basic membership, you can move them in your first level, and premium, you can move them all 5 levels. Okay, now product offerings. Of course, you got your .ws domain. Email addresses, 10 when you're basic. You get 50 when you're premium. Email storage is 1 gigabyte when you're basic, or 5 gigabytes when you're premium. Forward email prefixes per domain, 3 for basic or unlimited. A site builder. You have the site builder for both basic and premium, but there's more gallery storage when you're premium. There's 1 gigabyte to the 100 megabytes there. And domain name forwarding, you both have that. The basic hosting, the hosting is 100 megabytes to 1 gigabyte, and 1 gigabyte's a lot more for your hosting package. Okay, and then domain privacy, it's $1 when you're basic or free when you're premium. Now, I will say, if you're an experienced marketer, and don't mess around with basic. Just go to premium and start, get our marketing system that we have that is so good. For less than $1 a day, you can get GDI and Traffic Wave, and get the follow-up emails. The money's in the follow-up. If you're not following up with your prospects, if you're just sending them to that green page, like I did for almost a year because we didn't have a decent marketing system that I liked. I tried other marketing systems. I spent a lot of money on other marketing systems. It was not good. You're just wasting your money. You're like throwing your money at a wall hoping it sticks, is basically what you're doing. When you have a marketing system, they're entering their email, you're developing a relationship, they're getting to know you, you're sending them information about GDI. They can always go back and ask you questions. When they log off that sales page and leave, you're never going to see them again. They're not going to be able to find you unless they happen to be on a Facebook and they saved your profile and they're following you and kind of like almost stalking you, So the capture page is better. I'm in Facebook. That's how I do the majority of my marketing. Somebody asked me for info. This is a basic way of that I sell. Ask of how I advertise on Facebook. Ask me for info. I have a bunch of other images, a bunch of other ads for Facebook. They ask me for info. I just simply say, here is my info. This is how I do it. And I send them my capture pages. Look at, there's 64 comments with that. Okay? So, and when you get my resource page, if you sign up with me in GDI, you get my resource page that has, you can get added to my uplines rotator, and I even have a rotator. The rotators aren't going to do it for you. You still need to learn to advertise, okay? And get the marketing system, and then go advertise with it. Send people to the marketing system. Don't try and explain what GDI is. Don't try to explain what's going on. Just send them to the marketing system. Let the marketing system sell it for you. That's what it's there for. These pages are meant to sell. The messages are high converting. Their messages are focused on GDI. The messages explain it. That's one of the reasons why I did the blog, just because I wanted to explain it a little bit more. And it all leads to my capture page, with exception of a couple things that lead to Traffic Wave for people asking for more info. Most of it leads to my capture page, which is right there. Okay, so premium membership is wonderful. If you're an experienced marketer, there's also nothing wrong with starting out with basic. Start out with basic with the intention of moving to premium once you get going, once you get advertising. Okay? You want to earn income with GDI. You want to take this serious. This is not a hobby. This is a legitimate business. You got to treat it like a business. You treat it like a hobby and you're never going to get anywhere. Okay? So message me if you have any questions. Subscribe and like this if it helped you out. You have a great day.